I'm Bill Dumont. I'm president of M2SYS. We are a certified woman-owned business out of Atlanta, and we've been in business over 20 years. We operate in over 100 countries around the world, and we are known for biometrics. However, we realized a few years ago we need to make some significant investments and expand beyond just biometrics to something that is more scalable and can address the market more effectively. eGov addresses markets both federal and state and local, and it allows for non-traditional methods of communication to be used. For instance, it will run on web services, it runs with mobile, it runs with desktop. We are very, very flexible. And however the customer wants it and however the customer needs it is how we deliver it. I think the fact that we've got histories in the market dealing with federal government, dealing with actually governments around the world, we tend to really listen to what customers need and then to be able to address that. If you look at the eGovernment platform that we have, it's driven by AI, which allows so much flexibility and about 90% less development time to come up with the solution that the customer wants, whether that be internal or external dealing with citizens. Everything from driver's license and stopping and tickets and citations to rewriting programs. There's low QA efforts that are required with this, and the time to market is very, very fast. And it allows you to make changes and modifications without going through bringing in programmers that maybe had no experience on it at all. You don't even need developers. These people can be product managers and develop these solutions. If you think about it, it's really an application that develops solutions. One of the things that's really unique also is about, we really humanize everything, make it easy to communicate. And that's why we have the ability to do it on any platform you want, mobile or desktop or web services or bots. And however that customer or however that citizen or however the internal organization wants to communicate, we do it. And I think together with NEC, that makes a very strong product. We're located on the internet at www.m2sys.com.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.